Alright, so as you can see, we are removing the old PPF on this Challenger, and so far okay naman. Medyo makapit yung film, so I'm not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Pero so far wala namang paint na sumama, and the film is coming out in one piece. So at least maayos naman yung nilagay nilang material. It's quite thick also. And wala siya masyadong adhesive na naiwan. So good job to the previous shop who installed this. Pero pangit lang talaga yung the way they installed the material. And ito sa roof, as you can see, we're also removing it already. Kapal. Parang ano siya eh. I'm not sure kung PVC to eh. Parang it doesn't seem like it's a TPU. It's really thick. Maganda yung kapit niya. But as you can see, pag tanggal ng film, there's a lot of swirls already on the car. So mukhang di nila dinetail bago nila lagyan ng PPF. So we're stripping off everything. Then after we finish removing the film, we're gonna detail the car, install new PPF on it. So blade marks. Punta kayo dito. You can already see there's a couple of blade marks here, and hopefully it's not that deep. And here, and here. So actually across, kitang-kita mo yung line, no? All the way. So mukhang yung nag-install nito, binlaid niya ng malalim. Because there's a technique also on how you actually cut on the car, which we try not to, but syempre on some cars we have to. Here also, you can see there's really a deep blade mark, and then here. So yun, that's the thing talaga. Anyone can install PPF, but not everyone can install it properly without blade marks on the car. So medyo alat, syempre. But that's why we're here. So we'll be fixing the other things. Oh my God! So naalala niyo yung mga stripes na nakalagay dito, tapos nilagay nila ng PPF on top of the stripe. Yun na nga, oh. Cut the line. May hati na nga ng blade talaga. You can clearly see that those are blade marks, and it's quite deep. And hindi lang siya one blade mark, dalawang blade mark siya kasi hinati talaga nila ng ganun. Hopefully, we get to fix this issue kasi ang sad eh, oh, buo, across, oh. Yan, so those are some of the problems na pwede nyo ma-encounter. And then over here you can see the adhesive na iwan na. So we tried removing it as carefully as possible. We use a steamer as well. Pero wala, there are things talaga that you can't avoid. Pero at least the paint is still intact, hindi sumama. Puro adhesive lang talaga yung naiwan niya. And yeah, so we will be continuing removing this process, and then on the next step, di-detail na natin yung car, make it back to black, and then apply Magnus Pro PPF on the full car. So upon removal of the PPF, napansin mo, tignan nyo to guys, medyo malambot, diba? So I think this one, baka they installed TPU na, or maybe TPH. Pero yung sa bumper, para siyang pinambalot ng textbook. So I think this is the PVC material pa. Oh my God. Yeah. Tapos hindi pa to yung self-healing, kaya sobrang pangit na itsura. Now, I don't know bakit sinapsoy ng shop na nag-install nito. Kalahati in-install niya ng TPU or TPH, and then yung kalahati PVC. But this is an example of yung tinatawag nating sinaunang PPF back in the day when I started doing PPF. So, compare mo yung material na to. Listen to it, ha. Diba? Parang makunat na siya na textbook. Ito yung pambalot ng textbook. And then ito naman, this is the softer material. So this is probably TPH or TPU already. So ito dapat yung in-expect nyo. Pag nagtanggal kayo ng PPF, it shouldn't sound like this. It should sound like this. So, very soft. This one's very tigas na, and bilis na mapunit. Diba? So compared to this one thinks it's stretchable. Hindi siya ganun kabilis mapunit. This is better PPF. That one is crap. Alright, so as you can see, we just finished wrapping this very, very beautiful Dodge Challenger 392 RT. mukha na siyang brand new ulit ngayon. So tinanggal natin lahat ng previous strap niya na ginawa na ibang shop dati. And we were able to detail the car and finish installing Magnus Pro paint protection film on the full car. As you can see, kintab na niya, mukha na siyang brand new ulit. And iniba na rin natin yung design ng stripes niya as compared to the original one before. Ngayon gusto ko sana pakita yung difference nung ginawa nung dating shop versus yung ginawa natin. Starting off with the front bumper. So naalala niyo yung front bumper, yung sa dating shop, 5 pieces yung installation nila. So nakahati siya dito, nakahati siya dito, nakahati siya dyan. I have no idea why they did that. Pero as you can see dito sa Second Skin Industries, malinis na malinis yung pagkakagawa na sa bumper. It's all done in one piece and wala siyang mga hati-hati as the previous install. So it looks cleaner, mas seamless siya, and at the end of the day, mas malinis din siyang tignan dahil yung mga dumi na iipon dun sa mga hati-hati niya, which we don't have anymore. And makita mo rin na nilagyan natin ng yellow na translucent film yung headlights niya para magkaroon siya ng parang tinatawag nating angel eyes na color yellow kasi dati white lang din siya tulad nito. And then we were also able to restore this garnish here to make it yellow again. And naganda na niya. The stripes, pinalitan natin. Dual stripes dito sa hood with a pinstripe on the side. And then, ang linis lang niya. Another thing na nakita ko dati doon sa install niya is yung nandito sa door, nilagyan nila ng parang tinapalan nila dito ng film. As you can see, sobrang linis na niya ngayon. It's all one piece. And then nakatuck in siya all the way dito sa loob para malinis and very seamless ang installation niya. And then of course, dito sa likod, yung rear bumper niya na sobrang daming tapal din, we were able to fix it. And if you remember this part here na may hati dyan, syempre ngayon, in one piece na rin yan. Same with the other side. So itong buong rear bumper na to, that's all installed in just one piece na super linis. And of course, kasama na rin yung taillights niya. If you remember last time, yung sa may trunk niya, may hati siya dito. And itong middle part lang yung naka-film, which hindi ko maintindihan kasi dapat lahat yan protected. So as you can see, very seamless all the way end to end. Naka-PPF na rin yan. And wala tayong mga unnecessary cuts sa bumper except for this relief cut here kasi malalim nga yung edge niya. But even the cut, naka-PPF din yung inside niya. So one unfortunate thing na hindi namin maayos is actually yung sa trunk niya. Makikita mo meron lines doon kung saan binlaid nila yung sa stripes dati. So the owner wanted to retain its original paint. So dinidil na lang natin siya, hindi na natin siya nirepaint, pero you can still see some of the lines na naiwan dun sa mga binlaid nung previous shop. So again, be careful kung saan kayo pupunta para magpa-PPF. Hindi dahil mura, makakatipid kayo kasi in fact, PPF is supposed to protect your car's paint and not damage it with a blade. So yun, very happy naman si owner. Oh, we also did a full change oil with Apex Motorworks. And then pinalitan din natin yung tires niya kasi before, yung harap niya was a different brand. So nakakabit siya ng China brand na tires dito sa harap. Now, there's nothing wrong with China branded tires. But of course, gusto ni client is pantay lahat ng brands niya sa likod and sa harap. So we installed brand new Michelin PS4 tires for the Challenger. So at least ngayon, pantay na siya, mukha na siyang brand new. And of course, dahil nagpa-change oil na rin tayo sa Apex Motorworks, it now runs like a brand new car. So, andito na si client to pick up his car. Nahiya lang siya, ayaw niya sumama sa vlog. May next car daw siyang papadala. So, papadala niya next is his Ford Ranger Raptor for Magnus Pro Paint Protection Film. And yeah, that's all for this episode. See you in the next one.